Well, I think that instead of spending money on the wedding, we should actually invest in the marriage. Let me be very clear about that. We spend on the wedding functions itself and not enough time and energy on the marriage itself. What is marriage? What are the requirements for marriage? What a marriage asks of you? How to be a good wife, how to be a good husband, for example, resolve conflicts, how to live with compromises, and how and where to make compromises and where not to make compromises. I think this is what we need to learn and invest in a marriage instead of spending all the time and money and everything on just the wedding celebrations itself. We should spend it on learning about marriage, take up some courses, read some books, talk to elders, talk to smart people, talk to successfully married people, and learn from them and invest in marriage.